Today we'll see how to install Notepad++ version on Windows 11. So just open any one of your favorite browser. Just type here Notepad++ download. Okay, so this is the official one. Let me type here Notepad++ download. Yeah, so click on this link. So this is the latest one which we are seeing, version 8.9.7. Just click on this link and scroll down. Here you are able to see the installer exe file. Just click on, double click this one. Okay, so then you can try to open this one, which is the file. So it will ask you for the installation. Just click on S here, language, click on OK, and click on next here, and just scroll down and accept all the terms and conditions. Okay, so it requires almost 14 MB. So I'm not going to uninstall C. I'm going with the Windows D here and the tools. Just click on next here. So this is the default plugin. So just go with the default options. So I'm going to select React shortcut on desktop. I don't want to see the installation details. Just click on install. Plus, I think it will open now defaultly. Yeah. Thanks for watching.